Oh, now we're in some pink area right now. This place so far, very photogenic, very different vibes. Everywhere is like an Instagrammable place. Welcome back to Phi-nex TV, and today we are exploring Old Phuket Town. But what exactly is Old Phuket Town? Phuket was a major tin mining hub in the 1800s, which brought a huge influx of Chinese miners and European traders. Today, this area is known as Old Phuket Town and serves as a major tourist attraction that you cannot miss. Now, join me as I roam around this beautiful town. Subscribe. Hey, what's up everybody? Now that I want a food break, I need to walk it off all the roast duck. Let me show you around. This is Phuket Town. Now, some key fun facts that you might not know about Phuket is that it used to be called Thalang, but in the 16th century, this area used to be the old trading hub where you had the Indians, Arabs, Portuguese, Thai, Chinese, Malaysian, Britain. It used to be an old port where everyone comes in and just trades all their goods from their own respective countries. And then after that, after the 16th century, they renamed it to Phuket. Now Phuket also, fun fact, is the Thai word for bukit. Now Bukit is the Malaysian word. So it kind of directly translates and it just really means hill. So just so you guys know, Phuket is one big hill. That's why when you're riding on a 125cc scooter uphill with two people is extremely hard. So Phuket, if you guys didn't know, it means hill. Now, the thing with Old Phuket Town is its style and aesthetics comes from a Sino-European era where there's a lot of Chinese, Malay, and European influences. That's why you see that every single building is kind of different. Oh, now we're in some pink area right now.
It was like a known place for people to take.
Yeah, this place so far, very photogenic, very different vibes. Everywhere is like an Instagrammable place. Everything's highly decorated. It's like a photo town. The souvenir stores around the streets. Find a wide variety of mango sticky rice or some seafood. But if you can't put down a bintang, pick up a Coca-Cola. Oh, yes, this is me right here. Some sort of like alleyway. This walkway here has a bunch of stores that kind of stretches from here all the way down the street. It's kind of like a flea market but underground. Bow shorts, jewelry, more jewelry. Now, some areas of Phuket you can still see some old architecture that they have had in the past. And over here, for example, you get to see a lot of demolitioned buildings where it got torn down in order to rebuild for new. Now, Old Phuket Town kind of reminds me of Vietnam, So far, it reminds me of Hanoi, the Old Quarter. Now, if you didn't watch Old Quarter exploration video in Hanoi, the video is right here or here. Definitely the downtown core. When the night comes alive, Old Phuket Town becomes basically what Toronto thinks of Winterlicious is. Michelin guide, one after another, one after another. Old Phuket Town is known for great eats and Michelin guide food tours. Michelin guide, but like it's Italian. So, I've already eaten one. If my wallet allows it, there will be plenty more. But right now, let me show you the nightlife of Old Phuket Town. Now here is another mini food market, street market, that's right next to Tops. That's the Phuket Indy market. Now that is one of the closest ones to the Bucket alleyway that I just showed you before. This is, oh, so there's still jewelry in here too. Jewelry, souvenir clothes, street food. Yeah, so definitely you can buy a couple souvenirs here, socks, blankets, any traditional Thai clothing as well. You can buy some beachwear for a very reasonable price. And also, this is another one of those bargaining market, guys. You definitely see these beef as vegetation, and then she basically recooks it for you and put it on top. And this is crab. Let's see, fried crab. Fried crab. Crabs look good. They got some kimbap, sushi. And then there's a little mini dining area. If you want to stay near the Phuket Indy Mart, book a bed. And then right outside, you can be in part of Phuket's little street food night market. Old Phuket Town is small enough to explore in one day. To make the most of your time, start your morning at the Big Buddha for incredible views of the island and great photos before the crowds arrive. Afterwards, head to Old Phuket Town to explore its streets and grab a bite at one of their Michelin star restaurants. In the evening, check out one of the local street markets. The popular Sunday night market is a must if you're there on a Sunday. On Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, the Indy market is a great choice. Otherwise, the Chilva night market is open every day except for Sunday. Or, if you don't want to plan your own day, there's plenty of amazing tours available on GetyourGuide that fits every single budget. Check out the links in the description below. Speaking of Chilva, I'll be covering that night market in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next video.